I'm white. Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Cheese in the flesh. This light. So we recently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. I was very excited when it happened. It was 2 a.m. on the new year. Perfect time. So YouTube sent me a little something because I hit 100 subscribers. So we're gonna see what that little something is. So here's the package. It says fun and safe. So it must be pretty fun and pretty safe. So let's get this sucker open. It says it's from YouTube LLC Incorporated Co. to Dr. Cheese on Pickle Street. Alright, we got it open, okay? Wow, look at that. Look at that. It says, presented to Dr. Cheese for passing 100 subscribers. YouTube. We did it, guys. We made it to 100 subscribers, which I'll have to do a thumbnail shot. Yeah, that's pretty good. In all seriousness, guys, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. You know, I never actually thought I would make it to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because clearly YouTube didn't put like a little hook thingy there. And they also didn't give me a letter. Because there's usually like a letter that says like, wow, you finally you surpassed 100 subscribers. We're so proud of you. And it's like a whole letter. But clearly they were too lazy to make it. Well, thank you guys. All of you. Thank you. Here's to 100 more subscribers. Thank you.